Hey everybody, I forget which day it is, but it's still coronavirus day, whatever. But we're going in and making masks. So we're making masks for nurses and stuff, so that's what we're doing today. The reason why we haven't been online for a week is because I had to go back to my business, which is awesome, but that means I'm going to get paid on the 16th, but I might not on the 31st. Oh, whatever. But anyway, that's what we're doing this Sunday. So I'll go and show you what Melissa's doing.
One homemade mask at a time.
What you doing?
I'm working with Batman. We're gonna save the world one homemade mask at a time. John and I are making masks for people who are either some have gone to nurses, some have gone to other healthcare professionals, some have gone just to people who are at high risk and they need a mask. So John and I have been working on that this morning, finishing up some. And then I just got another big order. So we'll finish up these few and then take a break and then start on another big order maybe tomorrow. And so that's what we're doing. I'm working on one right now for John to press open as soon as I get it together. Gotta get it together.
Get it together. Bye.
Okay, everybody. Well, this is what John and I have been doing today. I had another request for 5 masks for a coworker. Well, hi, I haven't seen you all day, have I?
So
He's like, who's there?
off.
Who's there? Off, buddy. We'll go out in a second. Yes, it's mommy. Sit. Good boy. Wait.
Good boy.
So anyway, John and I have been working on masks, these 5 masks, for several hours today. Took some time to make them, but thankfully John was right there helping me. He made the bias tape because you can't find any now. You can't find any elastic. It's hard to find the bias tape. A lot of supplies are actually dwindling for making these. Thankfully, I have a pretty large stash of fabric.
Off.
You know what it is? He doesn't recognize me with the mask.
Yep.
Hold on a second. Hold on. See? It's me. All right, Tobin, off.
Hey.
He's like, smells like you. So anyway,
I did the pleating too.
yes, he did. He did all the ironing. I did the sewing. So he put the pleats in. He made all the bias tape. He did all of that stuff so that I could just sit and I could just sew them. And we started working about 12 o'clock and I just finished. It's about 3.
I don't know.
So it took 3 hours to make 6 masks. So yeah, it takes a while. But anyway, we're doing our part. Thankfully, like I said, I have plenty of fabric in my stash. I just don't have the bias tape. I've used all the bias tape that I had and I've purchased all that I could get at Joann at their curbside delivery. So that's that. So John thankfully made the bias tape for me, made strings. And I've made some with the elastic as well that goes behind the ears. And I did not find that nearly as comfortable. That was pulling on my ears like it was wanting to come off. And I find the tied ones, the good old fashioned ones, work much, much better. I like these a lot better. So anyway, this is what we're doing, our part here. Trying to help out anybody that we can in any way we can. We have the stuff. It just takes our time, basically. So yeah, that's what we spent our day doing today. So now I've got to go out and get some towels off the line. It's a beautiful day out. I was hanging laundry and taking the boy out to get some exercise and taking a little break from sewing for the rest of the night. So that's about it for today. You want me to sign off? So we ask you that you please give us a thumbs up, like us, hit the notification bell so that you get the alerts whenever we post a new video. And you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy, and doing whatever it is you can to help out your friends and neighbors that might need help during this time. See you guys. Bye.
Bye. What you doing, Dovin? Oy vey, oy vey.
Stop. Anybody who's never heard that song will have no idea what you're talking about.